So in this video, you'll learn how to revert back to the default font style on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and then you want to scroll and select Display. Under Display, look for Font Size and Style and select it. Then select the option Font Style. In order for you to revert back to the default, look for that option labeled Default here and tap on it. Wait a few seconds and the changes will be applied. And you'll notice that the bold font is still enabled. So you also have the option of disabling it so that it actually looks like the default font style that you had on your phone previously. Or you can just choose to leave it on. It's completely up to you. Then once you've made that choice, you can just close the Settings app and you'll notice throughout your whole phone, the font style has changed back to the default option. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.